Good morning, Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. Happy Wednesday. This is a sequel. This is a sweet sequel to the one that I did last night and published. The Don't Care Freedom. The I Don't Care Freedom. And I guess to make it more sense, you might want to watch that, which I'll put the link below. And please, by all means, please subscribe. I try to give life hacks. I try to be the positive voice, but the voice that comes in and says that you also have the power of choice to do many things in your life. Sometimes we relinquish that power. Sometimes we're bogged down. Sometimes we don't even realize it. So I want to be that voice that comes in as a life coach, as that positivity. So please subscribe, help me out, because the next thing that I'm diving into is life coaching for kids, which the training has been amazing so far. So the sequel to last night is I'm gonna fight. So I do not own the rights to this song. I guess I'm supposed to say that, so I'm covering myself. But as I was walking this morning, sun was up, but not quite in full bloom. So it was very quiet out. But once again, like last night, I put in my ear pods and I think, reliving that freedom that I had last night. That freedom that I was very happy that the police didn't come get me. I was very happy that an ambulance didn't come get me. But I was living on that freedom that it really didn't matter. And I am me, I'm accepting me, and I'm walking and living in that freedom. So I put my AirPods in, put my phone music on, and I set out. I wanted to do 2 miles before I even started my day today. So it was very quiet, and I went through again into the college area. It was beautiful, beautiful campus. So I was walking, and I decided to do a mile of running. This is a new goal for me. At 52, that's a goal. So I literally did a mile of running and did it in 14 minutes too. I don't even know the average. For me, that was a goal. That was good. I'm happy. So I did a literal mile, and then I did this rocky moment, up and down the steps. So I was just quite adamant in living in this freedom. But some of the students were moving around, not like last night when they were all looking at me. But I decided to go on a trail that looked absolutely gorgeous. Sun was rising, fall leaves falling off the trees. And I noticed that I was at a spot that not really anybody was noticing me. Maybe that's what I thought anyway. But I took my songs and I was blasting them in my voice. Now I know I can stay in tune if I really, really try, but I wasn't trying. I was just walking and living in that freedom, having fun, singing the songs, probably totally out of key, and I was doing it loud because nobody was hearing me. And I'm sure a few were, but again, if I can be the person that comes in and shows other people that freedom can be found, living your best life even within yourself can be found, it's never too late. I found it in my 40s, so I'm now living it, and I just want to pass it on. So the song that I was singing was the Fight Song by Rachel Patton. I want to give that credit. I don't own the rights to the song, but you should listen to it because, on the college campus, I could have been thinking like, oh, I wish I would be back in college. No, I don't. I wish I would be reliving my youth. No, I don't. I really wouldn't pay to be back there. That was a lot of painful years. That was a lot of turmoil, trials, and I wouldn't want to go back there. I am happy to be exactly where I'm at. 52, living her best life. I could have been thinking, I wish I would have had the college experience. I never lived on college and had the fun games that were all around. No, I'm happy to be where I am, what I'm doing, on the way to where I'm going. So, this fight song where she was saying, I got a lot of fight left in me. Man, I was just like, I got a lot of fight left in me. And this is my fight song. This is my life song. So, I just wanted to come on as a sequel to say it is never too late. It's never too late to accept God's love. It's never too late to accept yourself for who you are, your imperfect self. It's never too late to find the purpose in your life. It's never too late to conquer those things that are obstacles in your life, have been or are, and you want to get to that next chapter. Biggest ingredient is the power of choice. We do have to sometimes rewire our brains. We do have to sometimes get those new habits. We definitely have to utilize our power of choice to say, I'm going to. And the journey is nobody else's except yours. So I hope that helps somebody today. I am having a limited space for a life coach sessions. We can do life purpose. We can go by your issue, however, what you want to focus on. So it's available. So I do ask that you subscribe. Never thought that I'd be one of them on the YouTube and asking for you to subscribe, but please do, because I hope that it helps you, and I know that it can, but it is our power of choice of where we want to go. Have a great day.